test.
Orange County, Riverside County, San Bernardino County, San Diego County, and the coastal waters from San Mateo Point to the Mexican border and out 60 nautical miles, including San Clemente Island. A test signal was broadcast to test the public warning system. The test is normally conducted between 10 a.m. and noon each Wednesday, weather permitting. The signal was also used to test the activation and emergency readiness of the Skywallen network of radio operators. Now for the official
That right there was the weekly test. Sangina MRD8 activated. WR120 and 12-262 did not activate.
Light winds becoming southwest 15
Bearcat activated. First alert did not. I don't know why.
Tonight, mostly clear until midnight.
The alert works CAR-10 did not activate, as you can see over there.
Lows 47.
Better get everything else to shut up.
Areas of wind southwest 15 miles.
I can't tell if the
until
Sanji and
midnight.
CL100 activated.
Thursday.
So yeah, that's gonna be it for this weekly test video. Bye now.